Hi guys, it's Miss Barras. I hope you're all doing well. And today we're going to do something fun. We're going to do an Easter bunny card. And it's made out of cotton. And inside, you guys can write your name. Okay? And here says Justin. So this is what we're making today. And this is what you guys are going to need. You're going to need cotton. So ask mommy for cotton. We're going to use glue. And we're going to use a circle. So get something in your kitchen, some coffee can, anything that has a round shape like this. And we're going to need white paper and color construction paper, any color you have available. And if you don't have construction paper, you can use markers or color pencils to color the white paper, and that will give you a color. Okay, so this is the first thing we're going to do. We are going to take the white paper and we're going to fold it in half. We're going to fold it in half looking like this. Then we're going to take the circle shape and we're going to trace the circle, but we are going to leave this part here closed. We're going to leave it flat. So when we trace the paper, we're going to trace like this, starting here all the way to here, and then you're going to end up with this. Okay, so after you do this, you're going to come here. Oh God, the light is horrible. You're going to come here and you guys are going to cut around it. Let me make sure that this is the camera. I can actually, and you guys gonna cut around it. And then after you cut, you're gonna end up, after you cut, you're gonna end up with this, which is how I got this. Okay, so so this is what you're gonna end up with. Okay, so after you have this, we're gonna put it aside and we're gonna make the ears. Okay, and I want to use two sides of ears, so we're going to trace bigger ones white, and then the smaller one, that is the one that is going to go inside, that is the one that's going to go inside. It's going to be a different color. These ears are very easy to make, and the way we're going to make them is by tracing on the color paper and also tracing on the white paper. They don't have to be perfect. If you start here, close it on the top, and then you start here more in the center, go around it and close it on the top. They're not hard to make. So you're going to end up with white and then a color one to make something like this. Okay, so we're going to take this and we are going to glue the white ears just like this. So I'm going to use my glue here, and I'm going to put glue here, and I am going to paste my ears. And you guys gonna end up with something like this. Okay, so now we're going to take the color ears. So after you guys trace your ears, then you cut them. All you have to do is just make sure that the color ear is smaller than the white ear. We're gonna put glue over here too, and we're going to glue it here. So it's gonna give me this, okay. And I'm gonna do the same one with this green ear here. And I'm gonna end up with this, kind of like that, okay? So after this is done, you guys gonna get your curtains, okay? If you don't have the small curtains and you have the big ones, they can be cut in half, so you don't use so much curtains. So my curtains are over here, and I am gonna start putting it all around it, okay? So you're gonna take glue, put it on the curtain, and we're gonna go all around it. Now, I think it's easier if you just take the glue and do this. We're gonna cover the entire face with curtains, but we only gonna go around it in the edges where the color is, the ears. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go all around it, all around it. And I'm doing the ears first. And the kids are actually gonna love doing this. They love the sensory of the cotton, and we can just help them put it all around it. Need more glue. So this is how my ears are going to look, okay? And then we're going to cover the entire face. This is how they're going to end up looking. So now we're going to do the face. And we're going to put curtains all over the face. I'm cutting this one in half because it's just too much. Okay, so we're gonna end up with this bunny. Everything is gonna be covered. So now the next thing we're going to do is the whiskers. And you could use construction paper, or if you don't have construction paper, use color pencils or crayons to color the white paper. And I'm gonna take a piece like this, and I'm gonna cut 3 pieces. And we're gonna use 3 for each side. I know some of my kids can cut, so this is not hard for them to do. And we're going to use glue, and we're gonna paste the whiskers. We're gonna use glue, and we're going to paste the whiskers. And it's gonna look something like